Hey cuties, it's your girl kpcutie with another video. Today I'll be doing a Shein Dupes DIY. For the first time ever on my channel, I'm using a Cricut machine. So I want to see how this is going to turn out. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now and be part of the Cutie fam, because you're very appreciated and welcome here. So let's get into the DIY. First, you're going to need a Cricut machine. I'm using an iPhone so I can use it for my pattern. So I have it cut out. And I'm also using scissors and a dollar t-shirt from Walmart. Now for the width for this is going to be 7 for the vinyl, and the length is going to be 6.5. So it can be big enough to fit my shirt, and also you can see the design at the same time. Now I'm placing my vinyl down the mat. I'm using gold for this instead of red because that's the only thing I have on hand. But if you have red, you should use red. But I suggest you just use whatever color you guys like. For me, I'm just going to use gold because I like gold more than I love red. So it's a win-win for me. Just for extra support, I'm just going to add some tape to the ends to make sure everything stays stuck and stay down, so it doesn't come out when your Cricut machine is cutting your design.
Choose your fighter.
If this is your first time using a Cricut machine, here's how you do it. You're going to click continue. You're going to also click the button that says connect to Cricut Wi-Fi. Then you're going to let it load for a second. And once that finished loading, you're going to go and then you end up going to go press the up and down button. As you can see, because it's flashing. And once that's finished flashing, it's going to be like a solid white color. Now you're going to go and click the Cricut button, which is starting blinking right now. And once that stops blinking and be a one solid color, then your Cricut machine will start printing and cutting out for you. Right now, cuties, we're having technical difficulties because I accidentally pulled the mat out while the thing was about to go, and you can't mess up on that part. But good thing we stopped. So, because the good thing about when I was stopping it is that I need to put more tape on it to make sure everything stays stuck and sturdy, so nothing holds apart. But just in the near future, just let your thing go once it's in there and let everything right, because I accidentally did all of that. So make sure you don't mess with the mat afterwards like I did. Now that we're gonna let this print, and this is taking too long, so speed this up. Bing. And now our pattern's all finished, and we're gonna take it from the Cricut machine, take it off the mat, and we're gonna cut out the pattern. So let's get to it. Leave a comment down below if you have ever used Cricut machine before, or have you tried to attempt it, because I would love to know if you guys have tried before. Okay cuties, it's time to cut. Now we're going to cut out our pattern, but make sure you have enough space so you don't cut the actual pattern like how I did before, so I have to do this again. So make sure you have enough space between that when you're cutting. This is going to take a while, so we might as well speed this up. Yup. And now we got it all cut out. We're going to start peeling off the excess of the vinyl. Here you are, see me peeling out the excess vinyl so we can see our lovely design. I don't know about you cuties, but I am loving how this turned out. I just can't wait to see the final product. Now cuties, we're gonna have to make sure we take extra very long time to make sure we don't take up the wrong piece of this part. It may be time consuming, but we're in quarantine, so we're not going nowhere, so might as well take our time with this, do it right, instead of rushing through it and messing up all the time. Here what it looks like, what I have so far. We're almost there cuties, stick with me and we will be done. So this is what it looks like so far, and I only got a few more pieces to go. And now here I am placing down the vinyl on my shirt. Make sure I'm like setting it into the right position, which the top part of the tower is connecting to where the middle of the shirt is, so I can make sure everything is center right. And now I'm placing it down.
Knockout. You win.
Once you finish clean up your shirt, make sure there's no hair and stuff there. You're gonna place it down. You're gonna take a towel and put it over it so the plastic won't melt to the shirt, and you're gonna iron it down.
Moments later.
Once you have finished ironing that, it should be done. And
More moments later.
that you're finished with your Shein dupe shirt. I'm so happy with this, how it came out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye cuties!